I'm happy to be among you this afternoon to share my missionary experience. Among my confreres here, I am the junior of them. In fact, I'm still have my formatter here. So, like Father said, I'm working in South Africa. Myself, I'm from Togo, West Africa, and if you can see, I always say it is one of the biggest countries in Africa with 6 million people. Just here, but I'm working down here in South Africa. I would like to put you in the context of South Africa. You know that there was apartheid system, many decades in South Africa. Mainly, the apartheid system said that the black must not mix with a white, and vice versa in everything, no contact. And it was oppressive system. So 1990, when Mandela was released from the prison, then they started the process of freedom till today. So now there is total freedom, there is total mixture among the population. But the consequence is still there. Because when you were taught for many years that you must not mix up with these people, and then suddenly they ask you to mix up, then it is a little bit awkward for some people. So my work is in the parish, a rural area, one of the most poor area in South Africa, close to the border with Mozambique and Zimbabwe. And I'm working with those who came from Mozambique when there was a war between the two political parties, Renamo and Renamo. They were fighting. So those refugees, they came for the security in South Africa. So they started living and they became South Africa citizens. So I'm working with them. And what we do is to visit the communities. The parish, we have 40 communities, if you see the pamphlet there. We have 40 communities. Myself, I'm in charge of 12 communities. And then you must always visit those communities. Why? Because in South Africa, Catholic Church is a minority, only 7% out of 30 million. So, and then easily our people migrate from churches to the other churches. So to maintain them, you must always be there. So we visit the community every day, every blessed day. So there is no time to rest. And then on Sunday, we have 3 masses, at least to be able to cover the parish. And then we focus mainly on the formation of the youth and then the young adult, because we believe that they are the future of the church. And they will be the one to carry on the work. Some of them, they will become a priest. In fact, we got a Combonese priest from the parish, and one is still in the apostolacy now. So they will carry on the work. One of the consequences of apartheid system, and which we are dealing with, is the broken family. The system was designed to break the black families. Men will go miles and miles to work and come back home maybe after 6 months or even 1 year. So the wife is left alone to raise the kid and so. And you imagine the wife be alone and then the husband somewhere else. It takes, it doesn't work. Myself, I celebrated, since I was in the parish, I celebrated 0 sacrament of marriage till now, 3 years now. So that's the work we are doing to rebuild the family and to give the value for which it is, So I know that I have many more to say, but I can see Father Brian telling me that.